Hey, so this is just a quick video of how I do my eyebrows. I get asked pretty often how I do them, so I figured I'd make a video. So I hope that you guys enjoy it, and please feel free to comment below if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions for me.
So basically what I'm showing you guys is how I do my eyebrows. I actually had a little bit of makeup in it today. Like, I just did some real quick because I had to run to the store and I didn't want to be completely bald-faced like I am right now. But, oh my gosh, I am a habitual smacker. Like, that junk gets on my nerves. I'm so sorry if it annoys y'all because it annoys me and I don't even know why I do that. But anyway, I think it helps me process my thoughts. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, I just use super cheap makeup because ain't nobody about to be spending a whole bunch of makeup, right? A bunch of money on makeup right now. So this is just a little Milani eyebrow pencil brush that I got at Walmart, I think. But it serves its purpose. So when I do my eyebrows, basically, I come in and kind of start in the middle and I gotta go heavy. And I like it heavy even towards the outside, but I do not like it heavy on the inside. So I'll start lining about right here and right here. Fill that in. And then I come back with the brush. Sorry, I ain't tell you what I was doing. I was doing it, but low key, hold on, my music. Hold on. Low key, I don't know. Sometimes it's hard to multitask. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So once I get it nice and full back here, then I just kind of smear it. You might as well say, like, to the front, because I don't want this to be real, like, heavy and dark like it is back here. I want it to be more, I want it to look a little bit more natural. So I just try to just kind of, I might even just take, like, the tip of it, because sometimes you'll have, like, leftover makeup on the tip. And I'll just take the tip, kind of twirl it around, just smear it out. I don't even care if it get a little, you know, out of shape, because what I'm going to do to make them clean and crispy is come back with concealer underneath and then foundation on top to smooth it out. So I'm going to show you that in just a minute. Y'all, music just be giving me all kind of life. I can listen to music all day, every day, okay? Oh, so in order to do this, I am again staying super affordable with some drugstore brands. So this is Milani Concealer. It is natural sand. And y'all, I don't do makeup, okay? Like, I like to do my own makeup because I want my face beat and I don't want to pay nobody to beat my face every time I want my makeup done. But I'm learning. I have no idea what I'm doing 90% of the time. But I do know that you want this area underneath to be lighter than your, see, it's not even, I typically like get some of this and put it on the back of my hand. I don't know why I'm being extra. The camera made me nervous. You know what I'm talking about? Anyway, put it on the back of my hand. So you can see, I just got a little bit right there. And then I'll grab some with the flat brush. I don't know what brush it is. I don't do all that. I don't know. I'm gonna know one day. I'm gonna learn it all, but today I don't know. And I actually can't do this as well looking in the camera. I'm gonna have to look over to my right at this mirror because I can't see good in the camera. So I'll just find me like a little rhythm and just start to drag that up to shape the eyebrow the way I want it to look. And yeah. And I actually just washed my brushes yesterday, or maybe that was today. I don't know. Days run together when you're not doing a lot. All the days feel the same. Yeah. So anyway, if you are a very good person who cares about your skin, you want to put you a nice on your clean skin, a nice moisturizer before you start this process, and even a nice I like to go on my finger and get that smooth because that brush don't be doing it for me. Like, I don't want to see a bunch of lines, just kind of want to blend it into my skin more smoothly. And yeah, but I was saying before, you want to use you a nice jeez, what is it called? Because I can't think. What you call it? Primer. A nice primer. But if y'all can see that, you can see how nice and crispy that looks. Just having a fresh eyebrow, like, it just give me life, y'all. I don't care. If I just stay like this, I'll be feeling real cute. Psych. Oh shoot, I forgot I got this makeup on my lower. I'm about to put it all on my clothes. Okay, let me do the other side and stop playing before I have a mess. So I just basically kind of do the same thing on the other side. And try to line it up and just drag that line of crispiness all the way up. And then that's how I get like a super, I ain't gonna say super, but slightly elevated arch. See, while I was playing, I was letting this stuff dry out. This concealer. Now, if you use something else other than concealer, you got a suggestion, a recommendation for me and my process of doing my eyebrows, please leave it in the comments because I would love to hear from you. Because again, I am a rookie. This for me, doing my eyebrows, like, it is the absolute most intense part of doing my makeup, because I'm a slight perfectionist in some areas, and my eyebrows is one of those areas. I be wanting them to be completely even and lined up, and sometimes that is hard to do. I feel like everybody has a stronger or weaker side. And yeah, this is a strong side. Like, I could be like, boom. This side, whoo, having a match, whoo, sometimes it don't work. Sometimes it does, sometimes it don't. See, I just messed that up, but it's okay, because I'm not about to redo this. I'm just going to try to clean this up and hope that the eyebrows are the same level when I'm finished. If they not, it'd be alright, because I ain't going nowhere. Nowhere. I'm gonna be cute just to go to bed. But I'm sure my husband will appreciate. I feel like I'm mumbling. I'm sure he'll appreciate me having a little bit of face on for a change, because yeah, in this COVID life, like, who be having face on every day? Not me. I try to do a little something, but you know. All right. What that look like in the camera? It don't look bad. It don't look balanced because I messed this side up. But it's going to be alright because ain't nobody finna be doing that to that. I'll just take this and kind of clean it up a little bit in between the eyes right there. Still, it's off right here. It's driving me nuts. But that's gonna be what it is, because I'm not doing it over. Anyway, so that's the foundation of my eyebrows. Like, this is where, and so like this line look a little bit heavy right here. I'm not gonna sit there and ignore that like I don't see it, okay? So just take my brush and just try to just blend it down. Like, pull some of that lightness down, and so it won't be so dramatic against my brow. I wish I could rock out with y'all. I'm gonna have to stop using music in my videos though. Well, she don't got no towel right here. I don't know, but I'm gonna make that work. All right, so once I got this done, the brow and the underneath, which to me is what really makes the eyebrows, is how clean it looks underneath. I will take foundation. Now this color don't match because I probably bought this before before we was in the house for forever, and I feel like, you know, I'm up in this house and I'm getting kind of light skinned. Anyway, I always had this joke, like, it's not really a joke for real. I had a complex. I thought I was light skinned for a long time, and then I realized, bro, you are not light skinned, okay? But it's okay, because I'm getting light skinned because of COVID, because I don't go nowhere and I don't get no sun. So anyway, this foundation is just some real drugstore life. This is L'Oreal True Match is what I'm about to use, just a liquid. What color is it? I don't know. Oh, warm 8. I don't know how warm I am or how cold, but anyway, I'll just come in with this and just go right over the top of my eyebrow. Y'all see that? Hey! And I'm gonna leave it alone before I make a mistake and mess it up. But just right over top of that brow. Look at her. There she go. Yeah, this don't really match my skin, but y'all, I have like the hardest time, honestly, finding makeup that matches. And I don't know, it's just a lot of effort. It's like it's not easy. Like, I went to Sephora once and was like, hey, can you match me? And they was using a whole lot. Like this right here, looking at it in this camera, in the mirror in my house, it don't look like dumb light, but in the camera it looks unnatural. So it's just letting me know I need to go ahead and toss this out after this video. But I'm about to be light skinned today. Told y'all I was light skinned. Over here. DJing a little bit. I feel like this video is gonna have the worst volume ever because I feel like I'm just talking all quietly to myself, but it's okay. So I know opinions vary on this, but because I really don't know what I be doing when it comes to my makeup, I like to do my eyes first, because if I go through the trouble of doing my foundation and all that, and then I mess it up, see this right here? You see that? That's about to get on my nerves. Because it is not as, like this one, perfect. This one, I don't know what happened. It needs to be filled in a little bit. But I low-key don't want to make it worse by trying to make it better. But it's really bugging me. Ugh. Yeah, I still don't look like this one, but you know, it's better. What I was saying, I really like to go ahead and do my eyes first, all the way, totally, completely, because I can wipe this off and do that again. But if I do all that, and then I do my eyes, and they don't be right, and then I gotta redo them, I'll be done messed up the whole face. At least if I just do my eyes first, I can get my eyes done, they done, then I can work around them. But if I gotta go on top of this foundation, no ma'am. So me being a little baby perfectionist, I realized like this one is actually going up more than this one. This one was more straight right here in the front. So I'm gonna attempt to make them look better, more uniform. Am I gonna do it without messing it up? Maybe, maybe not. But you know what they say, practice makes perfect. Oh. Alright, for real, that's it. I'm stopping because if I keep going, I feel a serious blooper coming on with this eye over here. So I have a question. Maybe somebody can drop me some insight in the comments since I am a novice. When I am doing my eyes, after I do all of this working on this eyebrow, because I talked earlier about using a primer, but I meant in general, like for your whole face. I wasn't talking about like an eyeshadow primer. So do you guys use eyeshadow primer and regular primer? Do you use just regular primer? Do you use any primer at all? I don't know.
So this pretty much wraps up the eyebrow portion of this video. And I'm just gonna stop it right here. If you have, like I said, any questions or comments or suggestions, please drop them in the comments below. And I thank you for watching. And at some point, I will edit and post the rest of the makeup that I did that day. Okay? All right. Thank y'all for watching and have an awesome day.